In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription. So come here, click on this logo to access the dashboard. And from here, I want you to come at the top right, click on your profile icon. Now, I want you to click on accounts and billings. Okay. Now here, if I click on billing, we will see these options. So I want you to go ahead and click on monthly plans or credits. So this is my plan right now. This is $20 a month. So if I want to cancel this, it's very easy. You come here, click on a change plan. Now, of course, if you come here to change your billing information, there's no way to remove the card. The only ways to cancel is you either change your plan right here or delete your account entirely. So here, I went ahead and clicked on a change plan, as you can see, and all you need to do is downgrade. So we'll click on free right here. So this is the free version. I'm currently downgrading. It's going to show us everything that we will not be able to access anymore and what we will still be able to access. Okay, toggle this on. Make sure you check this. Come here, click on downgrade. Okay, now you will be downgraded and your subscription will be canceled on this date. So I'm currently still on the trial period. As you can see, I will have no bills that will be coming up. And if you want, you can even delete your account entirely. Okay. To do that, you just come and click on settings, click on manage my plan, go all the way down here and delete. And it's really that easy and simple.